Hello everyone, this is Funny. You are watching Funny HS Info. Today I come up with the topic sprinklers. In this session I discuss about what is a sprinkler, what are the parts of sprinklers, color code of the sprinkler bulb, what is a K factor, types of sprinklers and types of sprinkler heads. First one, what is a sprinkler? A fire sprinkler or a sprinkler head is a component of sprinkler system that discharges water when the effects of fire have been detected. An automatic fire sprinkler is basically a valve activated by heat. Its main component is a small bulb which holds a heat sensitive liquid which is glycerin based. When the ceiling temperature reaches a specific level, which means 135 degrees Fahrenheit to 165, the liquid inside will expand, causing the glass to break. There are various colors of liquids in these glass components, each indicating a different thresholds of heat required to break the glass. Next one, parts of sprinklers. A sprinkler composed of a frame, threading, sealed bulb and deflector. A sprinkler head is composed of cast or forged metal frame with an integrated hole or orifice, ranges from 3 by 8 inch, 7 by 16 inch, half inch, 17 by 32 inch, 3 by 4 inch and 1 inch. When coming to the frames, there are two types of frames: common finishes and custom finishes. Common finishes includes brass, bronze, chrome, white and black. Custom finishes include custom color, nickel, stainless steel, wax coated. And next one, threading. It varies from half inch, 3 by 4 inch, 1 inch and 1/4 inch. Next one, sealed liquid filled glass bulbs. They are 3 mm and 5 mm thickness with different colors shown in this table. Based on the temperature rating, there are different types of bulbs like orange ranges 57 degrees Celsius, red 68, yellow 79, green 93, blue 141 and mauve 182. And last one, deflectors. Sprinkler head deflectors are the metal plates that direct the flowing of water in the direction it needs to go. When water is released from the sprinkler head at activation, the stream hits the deflector and sprays outwards. Next one, K factor. A K factor helps to calculate the discharge rate from sprinkler heads. The K factor also determines the proper orifice sizing. Fire sprinklers with bigger K factors have larger orifice, allowing them to discharge more water at lower pressure and to produce bigger water droplets that are more capable of penetrating fires. The most common K factors are 5.6 K for fire sprinklers with a half-inch thread connection and 8 K for fire sprinklers with 3 by 4 thread connection. Next one, types of sprinklers. There are two types of sprinklers, standard and quick response. The biggest difference between standard and quick response sprinklers is the size of the bulb. With a standard sprinkler, the bulb is slightly larger, therefore it takes a little bit longer to work. A quick response sprinkler is a little bit thinner and has a faster response time as its name implies. Next one, types of sprinkler heads. There are 4 types of sprinkler heads: pendant sprinkler head, concealed pendant heads, upright sprinkler heads, sidewall sprinkler heads. Let me brief one by one. Pendant sprinkler heads. It hangs down from the ceiling, sprays water downwards in a circular pattern to maximize coverage. Ideal for offices, hotels and factories, etc. Concealed pendant heads. These are located within the ceiling and are hidden by a cover plate. Work similar to pendant sprinkler heads. After the cover plate falls off, once it reaches 20 degree Fahrenheit, lower than fire sprinkler temperature, ideal for places where aesthetic is concerned. Next one, upright sprinkler heads. Stands upright, sprays water upwards in a hemispherical pattern, useful in buildings with exposed ceilings like mechanical rooms or hard to reach places like beams. And next one, side wall sprinkler heads. Mounted on the side of the wall, only have half of the deflector. Sprays water in half circle, great for small rooms, hallways and places sprinkler pipes run up walls. This is about sprinklers. Let me summarize this section. A fire sprinkler or sprinkler head is a component of fire sprinkler system that discharges water when the effects of fire have been detected. A fire sprinkler composed of frame, threading, sealed bulb and deflector. There are two types of sprinklers, standard and quick response fire sprinklers. Basically, four main types of sprinkler heads are used in sprinkler system. They are pendant sprinkler heads, concealed pendant heads, upright sprinkler heads, sidewall sprinkler heads. The glass bulb contains a fluid that expands when exposed to heat or shatter the glass bulb, allowing the sprinklers to activate and water to flow. This is about sprinklers. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share my videos. Have a safe day.